Origami, also called the Japanese art of paper folding, is also a medium which is utilized in art therapy. And the reason why we use it in art therapy is because of its various therapeutic benefits. One of them is that it works on the cognition level. So when you're doing origami and you're paper folding, there is the process of planning that comes in, there's memory that is also working, and the third and the main part, for which is the theme of today's exercise, is for enhancing focus and concentration. So in origami, the process that is involved is folding the paper in various steps, and then that entire steps leading into a sculpted model. For origami activity that we're going to do today, what we require is just one sheet of origami paper. This origami paper is usually a square shaped paper. So this activity will have 7 folds to it. So the first fold would be, you fold it like this, and when you are folding the paper, make sure that you're really pressing the sides and the edges to make sure that it comes out well. So line comes out well like this, okay. And the next second fold, you turn it around and then you fold it inward. That's the second fold. Again, put a pressure, make sure that the line is crisp. Now for the third one, let's flip it, and we take this one side, we fold it this way, and again we do this. Let's say a little bit, perhaps a little bit more, because that is what is going to turn out to be the beak of the bird that we're making. Now for the fourth fold, what we do is we flip it inward. Okay. And now what we have is something that looks like this. Okay. Now for the fifth fold, you take this, you bend it like that, you flip it over, that's the sixth fold, you bend it like this, make sure that the lines are again crisp, there's the pressure. Now for the seventh one, what you do is, you take this, you take it like this, the beak, and then you make this, and here you go, that is your bird. So what we've created today is this 7-fold bird that we have created, and this took about some time, and in that some time there was a lot of focus and concentration that went into it. Remember that when you are engaging in this, you also stress on these certain points to create more pressure, and take your time with it. What you can also do to enhance and work on the focus and concentration is, you could include colors in it. You can add more, let's say, shades to it. The entire process, it requires you to be attentive. It requires you to be there. So when you are engaging in that, what happens is that there is a lot of work that is going on with the focus and the concentration. As you keep doing this for longer periods of time, it will also help with that. So in between, let's say if you have to shift from one thing to another, you can take this as like brief 5-minute breaks where you can paper fold, do some origami, and those short breaks will help in enhancing your focus and your concentration.